Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This Lingala lesson is about the verb to push, kopusa. To pull is kobenda, but in this lesson we'll stick with the verb to push. Nazopusa, I am pushing. Ozopusa, you are pushing. Azopusa, he or she is pushing. Tozopusa, we are pushing. Bozopusa, you are pushing. Bazopusa, they are pushing. Topusa mutuka oyo, let us push this car. We are pushing this car. Tozopusa mutuka oyo. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.